They say women today have more freedom, more choices, and more independence than ever before. Yet, so many still feel empty inside. They scroll through perfect pictures, chase success, and try to smile. But deep down, something feels missing. This isn't about money, looks, or fame. It's about something far deeper. Let's talk about the truth no one wants to say out loud. In the rush to have it all, many women forgot what truly makes life peaceful. They work hard, care for others, post smiles online, but rarely stop to care for themselves. Every day feels like a race, to be perfect, to be wanted, to be enough. Society keeps raising the bar higher and higher. No matter how much they achieve, it never feels enough. There's a silent pressure that no one talks about. Be strong, but not too strong. Be kind, but not too soft. Be beautiful, but don't show it too much. This invisible rulebook breaks many hearts, slowly, quietly, and deeply. The more women try to fit into it, the more disconnected they feel from their real selves. Happiness used to come from small things, genuine talks, real love, peaceful mornings. Now, everything feels like a competition. Who's happier? Who's richer? Who's loved more? Many women carry a storm inside their minds while pretending everything is fine. They laugh in front of people and cry when no one's watching. The truth is, happiness can't be found in perfection. It's found in balance, in stillness, in choosing peace over pressure. Sometimes walking away from expectations is the first step toward peace. When women stop comparing, stop competing, and start listening to their own heart, that's when they find real happiness again. At night, when the world finally goes quiet, she lies awake, and the questions come back. Am I loved for who I am, or only for what I give? She thinks of her younger self, full of dreams, and wonders when that light dimmed. See, unhappiness doesn't always scream. Sometimes it just sits quietly inside your chest in the form of emptiness, numbness, and pretending everything's fine. It's the kind of sadness that doesn't cry. It just exists. Maybe it's not her fault at all. Maybe it's the system that praises strength, but never softness. A culture that celebrates achievement but forgets emotion. She's told to be independent, but not vulnerable. To love herself, but never slow down long enough to actually do it. But here's the truth no one talks about. Happiness doesn't come from having everything. It comes from having space, to breathe, to feel, to fall apart, and to rebuild again. It's in the moments when she lets go of perfection and allows herself to just be human. So, maybe happiness starts small, a quiet morning with no phone, a walk alone under the evening sky, a deep breath that doesn't carry the weight of expectations. Because sometimes healing isn't loud, it's just choosing peace, again and again. If you're a woman watching this, remember, you don't need to be perfect to be loved. You don't have to prove your worth to anyone. You are already enough, even on your quiet, messy, emotional days. Because true happiness isn't something you chase. It's something you create when you start being kind to yourself.